Alright, YouTube, what's going on? You guys ready for the reveal of my new bike? I know you guys have been waiting for it. I'm surprised somebody was actually really close to guessing it. Alright, you guys, here you go. Here is the reveal of my brand new bike. Bam, look at that. It's a brand new 2020 Harley Davidson 48. Somebody, you guys probably knew I test rode one of these a while back, and they're super nice. I got a really good deal on it. It was actually slightly used, so it had like 400 miles on it. But other than that, it's pretty much brand new. It's a 2020, so it's all stock except for this seat. Is a little more plush, I think, aftermarket seat, and a blacked out gas cap, and I think that's it. Everything else is stock. Yeah, everything. It's the regular one, not the special. The special is all chrome, which I don't like chrome, so I'll talk about upcoming mods here in a little bit. But yeah, it's got the stock exhaust and everything. It's got the stock intake. Everything is stock. It doesn't need much to be perfect, but it'll be. Oh yeah, it has a battery tender hooked up to it already too. Other than that, everything else is stock. I'll talk about the mods in an upcoming video that we're gonna do to it, but we're not gonna change much. It's already pretty much a perfect bike. But anyway, guys, that is the reveal of my brand new bike. It is a 5-speed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll let you guys hear it again. It's already warmed up because we rode here. You can see the front end's kind of shaking a little bit. That's the Harley Davidson shake that you get when it's at idle. Definitely needs an exhaust. Got to get rid of this chrome. And it's not very loud at all. But other than that, it's pretty perfect. So there you guys go. That's my brand new bike. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.